The Republic of Bangladesh is one of the fastest-growing economies in Asia. To support this growth, the country needs a deep-water port. Payra port on the Rabnabad Channel in the Ganges-Brahmaputra-Meghna estuary will be developed for this purpose. The outer access channel will be dredged to cross the shoals of the Four Delta and provide nautical access for ships. The inner channel and berth pockets will give nautical access to the various terminals of Payra port. The capital dredging will provide material to reclaim the areas where the new port terminals will be developed. Container terminal, LNG terminal, general cargo terminal, coal terminal. They will all benefit from the new nautical access channel. The seabed soil was investigated to analyze the suitability of the material as fill for the reclamation. A substantial part of the dredged material is expected to be fine sand. A cutter suction dredger will dredge the riverbed soils in the inner channel and berth pocket. In the same operation, the dredger will reclaim the terminal areas to the design levels. The finer fraction of the dredged soil will be transported to settlement basins where the soil particles can settle. The cutter dredger is fitted with a cutter head and a hydraulic system able to remove large quantities of soil in short periods of time. The dredger produces a hydraulic mixture of soil and water which is transported over a long distance down to the reclamation site. On the reclamation site, the hydraulic fill is assisted by land-based equipment to spread the sand and level it off to the required level. The overflow water is drained off to the settlement basins where silt particles can settle down. The finer silt fraction will settle in the basins, consolidate and gradually dewater over time. The outer channel will be dredged with powerful seagoing and self-propelled cutter suction dredgers. The dredged material will be disposed on carefully selected and engineered aquatic disposal grounds on the seabed of the Four Delta. The aquatic disposal will be done with positioned spreader pontoons that will control the spreading in thin layers. The whole dredging and disposal operation will be monitored by hydrographic surveys using multi-beam echo sounders. The aim of the first phase of the Payra Port Access Channel is to dredge the access channel to a nautical depth of -8 meters. Once this is reached, further deepening and maintenance dredging will be done with trailing suction hopper dredgers. A trailing suction hopper dredger dredges the seabed hydraulically and loads the dredged materials into its hopper bin. The dredger then transports the dredged materials to an offshore disposal ground. Once this access channel is brought to the desired depth and width, and with an appropriate maintenance, the nautical access to Payra port is secured and safe navigation is ascertained. This will boost the further economic development of the port.